Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new for my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload new videos. What if you knew exactly what women wanted? How to make them desire you intimately, and how to make a woman want you sexually. Men may think that they need to be the hottest guy, have lots of money. But let me tell you right now, that's not the truth. There are some valuable tips. 1. Building her trust. You want to create a foundation for earning this woman's trust and to ensure that she feels comfortable around you. This is where the true magic can happen. When you can be confident enough to really understand this, you have so much more to offer. 2. Do not act like you are obsessed with sex. You don't have to hide the fact that you're a man with needs, but you should avoid being vulgar, talking about sex all the time, or talking about other people who have sex all the time. 3. Treating her well. If she changes her mind from yes to no, or asks you to stop during the act, do so immediately. It may be useful to have a chat beforehand about what she wants to do, and what she isn't ready for. Pay attention and never make her do something that she isn't comfortable with. 4. Seduce with eye contact. All girls find it extremely attractive when a guy she is talking to is giving her eye contact. Essentially, you are giving her your undivided attention and letting her know that what she has to say is important. Any woman would want to get married to a guy like that and would fall head over heels for a man who will listen to what you has to say and value her opinion. Now, there is good eye contact and bad eye contact, so be careful. Examples of making eye contact are staring at her to the point where she is uncomfortable and it will turn her off. Don't do that. Hold her eyes for at least 10 seconds when you first engage in conversation with her so that she is comfortable and warms up to you. Be simple in a genuine, not creepy way so that she feels at ease. 5. Don't ever pressure her. If you want to make women want to have sex with you, the worst thing you can do is bring it up or try to force it when it's way too early. This will turn women off and will make her much less likely to sleep with you. 6. Show an interest in all of her, not just her body. Ask her about her friendships, her childhood, and her favorite experiences. Make eye contact when you talk to her. Show her that everything she says is important to you. 7. Set the mood. Spend lots of time with her. Make sure that you plan at least 1 or 2 dates every week and that you check in with her at least once a day if you're not together. 8. Touch her, kiss her and play hard to get. While you and this woman you are trying to seduce are building a deep emotional connection, gently place your hand on her leg. She will feel more comfortable with you, safe with you so close to her. Your presence and gentleness during such a vulnerable state will make her feel more drawn to you and make her want you more. This will allow you all to build a connection. With a newly formed connection, women are no longer using their heads, but their hearts. Now she feels like she can trust you and she thinks you're a catch, so it will be easier to seduce her. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload new videos. Have a good day.